So one of the most common questions we get here is, what are my options for shaving or keeping my hair during a hair transplant procedure?
Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration.
Hi, I'm Dr. Manu Gujrati, and I'm the Medical Director of the San Francisco office of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. And today we're going to talk about different options for shaving or not shaving the hair for an FUE procedure. So option number one, the full shave. Now, for FUE procedures, this is for the most part the standard of what's done. And the reason for that is, for somebody who has pretty progressive hair loss, which means there's a lot of area to cover with new hair, shaving gives us a lot more visibility as a surgeon to those areas, so we know how to design the new hairline and the new coverage as best as possible. But shaving is also really important, and probably more important for getting the hairs from the donor area, which is the area of the permanent hair that we're going to use to rebuild your hairline. So we need that hair short in order to see it and get the most as possible. All right, option number two when it comes to shaving the hair for FUE procedures. That's called what we call the layered shave. And that means that we're actually keeping the hair up top long and whatever normal length you wear, but we're shaving on the back and sides. This is an option for somebody who's doing a bit of a smaller procedures where we're just adding some density back in to the hairline or the front areas, where we kind of know, we just want to see the little nuances of where there's a little bit of thinning. And so by shaving the back and sides, we can still get really good visibility and get a very large yield in that surgery of donor hairs, because that's all been trimmed in. We can really be much more selective on which hairs we're going to use from the donor area to transfer to the front. And this is also useful in female hair transplants where they're wearing their hair long, and so we just shave under their long hair and have a small window that we're taking the grafts from, but we leave the other hair long, so when they wear the hair from the top and sides down, it looks like nothing's been taken until that all goes back in. Option number three when it comes to shaving your hair for a FUE procedure. Not shaving it at all. That's an option. At Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration, we have the patented procedure called the Celebrity FUE Transplant. And the Celebrity FUE procedure is for our celebrity clientele or for our executives who have busy schedules that are in public situations that they can't really avoid, and they don't want to have a short haircut at all. And so the Celebrity FUE procedure is done by basically just going in between long hair in the donor area. Now, this is the most expensive of our options, but still a lot of people elect to have this approach to the procedure to help them get back to their busy lives. So the benefits are that really within a day of the procedure, you really can't tell anything was done. The healing is all going to take place underneath your long hair, so there's really not much that's going to be visible at all. The only thing about it is that it's going to be more expensive, and the amount of hair we're going to get in terms of grafts in that is going to be somewhat less than we're going to be able to get when the head is fully shaved. There's just a slowing of the process when we're operating through long hair. So the yield is going to be on the lower side. So it's good for smaller procedures, maybe about 75% of what a normal procedure would be. So those things to talk about with us when you come in for a consult and see if that's one of the better options for you. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful in terms of thinking about how to plan your hairstyle and whether you're going to shave or not for FUE procedures. But if you have more questions, feel free to visit our website at www.parsamohebi.com or follow us on social.